Hello everyone again, welcome back to our online class. Today is Tuesday, and in the first session we are going to learn about listening express 1, and in the second session we are going to learn about hangout 4. So now let's start our first session all together. So in the first session we are going to learn about listening express 1, and we are in unit 5. It's rainy, but can you tell me what did you learn yesterday in the second session about unit 5? In unit 5 yesterday, in the second session, you learned about the new vocabularies, right? The new words on page 34 and page 35. So before we continue our lesson today, before we go to page 34 today, let's review about the words that we learned yesterday. So these are some of the words that you learned yesterday. Example, the word rainy, rainy. Rainy, what does mean rainy? Rainy, it means that a lot of rain, right? Can you spell rainy? Rainy, I spell R-A-I-N-Y. How about this one? Snowy, snowy, snowy. What does mean snowy? Snowy is a kind of weather that there is a lot of snow, right? Can you spell snowy? Snowy, I spell S-N-O-W-Y, right? How about this one? Foggy, foggy, foggy. What does mean foggy? Foggy, we refer to the kind of weather that there is a lot of fog. You cannot see anything clearly. Can you spell foggy? Foggy, I spell F-O-G-G-Y. And this one, chilly, chilly. What does mean chilly? Chilly means cold. Can you spell chilly? Chilly, I spell C-H-I-L-L-Y. How about this one? Windy, windy, windy. Windy means a lot of wind, right? Can you spell windy? Windy, I spell W-I-N-D-Y. How about this one? Weather, weather, weather. So these are all weather. So weather we refer to conditions about rain, about air. So these are some examples of weather. Can you spell weather? Weather, I spell W-E-A-T-H-E-R. The weather today is very cold, it's very chilly, or it's very foggy, or it's very rainy. This one, affect, affect, affect. Can you spell affect? Affect, I spell A-F-F-E-C-T, right? What does mean affect? Affect means to cause something to change or to have influence on someone or something. Example, if you look at the phones every night, it will affect your eyes. This one, predict, predict, predict. What does mean predict? Predict means to guess or to say something that will happen in the future. Predict. Can you spell predict? Predict, I spell P-R-E-D-I-C-T. How about this one? Clear, clear, clear. Clear means easy to understand, easy to see, easy to hear, or easy to read. And can you spell clear? Clear, I spell C-L-E-A-R, right? How about this one? Soaked, soaked, soaked. Soaked means extremely wet. Can you spell soaked? Soaked, I spell S-O-A-K-E-D, right? How about this one? Avoid, avoid. Avoid means to stay away from something or someone. Can you spell avoid? Avoid, I spell A-V-O-I-D, right? Avoid. Avoid means to stay away from something or someone. And the last one, forecast, forecast. Forecast means to say what you expect to happen in the future. When you watch TV, you will see the weather forecast. It will rain here today, it will rain there today. Okay, that is weather forecast. So these are the words that you learned yesterday. So today we are going to the first page of unit 5. So if you open your book on page 34, you will see two exercises, getting started A and B. So let's go to A all together. So what kind of weather do you like the most? So now we learned about some weather like rainy, snowy, foggy, chilly, windy. So what kind of weather do you like the most? So you have to answer it by yourself. But for me, I like chilly because that I like being cold. Okay, so I can write here, I like chilly weather the most. But you can write yourself, you can write your favorite weather that you like. So let's go to B. Now listen, write the letter next to the correct picture. So in exercise B on page 34, you will see 4 or 5 pictures, and you are going to listen to track 40, and you have to write the letter next to the correct picture. So I will play the listening for you. Let's listen.
Unit 5. It's rainy. Getting started B. Now listen. Write the letter next to the correct picture.
A. Mina loves snowy days. She enjoys snowball fights. B. My hat is flying away. The wind blew it off my head. C. Look up at that cloud. It looks like a big white heart. D. It's very hot outside today. Tim needs a drink. He's so thirsty. E. Ellie is glad to share an umbrella. It just started raining.
Okay, so now you have listened to track 40 already. Let's check the answer. So A. Mina loves snowy days. She enjoys snowball fights. So which picture that is about snowy? Picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Picture 4, right? So picture 4, letter A. How about B? My hat is flying away. The wind blew it off my head. So letter B is picture 3. And letter C, look up at that cloud. It looks like a big white heart. So letter C is picture 5. And D, it's very hot outside today. Tim needs a drink. He's so thirsty. So letter D, picture number 1. And the last one, letter E, Ellie is glad to share an umbrella. It just started raining. You know glad, G-L-A-D, glad means happy. So Ellie is happy to share an umbrella. It just started raining. So letter E is picture number 2. Okay, now we have finished section B, and it is also time to go break. See you in the next session.